Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix new Outlook not opening with an error 0xc0000409 in your Windows machine. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and delete corrupted Outlook cache folder. To do this, you will have to make sure your Outlook app is completely closed. So in case if you have your Outlook open, make sure it has been completely closed. You can also check your task manager to verify it is running in the background. So you can open task manager, you can do a right click and then click on the task manager. Once you have the task manager, you can go to details. In the search tab, you can look for Outlook. In case if there are any services running for your Outlook, you may go ahead and do a right click and then click on end task. And with that, you're making sure your Outlook is closed. Once this is done, you will have to navigate to your local app data folder to delete the OLK and OneAuth folder. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you can copy the path from my video description. Basically, you're navigating to local app data Microsoft folder. Hit enter. This should take you to the local app folder. In this list, in case if you're not able to see the folder, you might want to go ahead and enable hidden files and folders. So you can click on the three dot lines at the top right corner and then click on options. Under options, you may click on view and check the box which says show hidden files, folders and drives. Click on apply and OK. With that, you should be able to see the OLK folder. So in this list, you will have to locate for OLK folder. Once you locate OLK folder, you can do a right click and then delete the folder. Once the OLK folder is deleted, the next thing what you need to look for is OneAuth. It would be in alphabetical order. You will have to do a right click and then click on delete. So with this, what you're trying to do is you're trying to reset the temporary email data and authentication tokens from your computer to your Outlook. Once this is done, you may close this window, try to open Outlook and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and repair your new Outlook app from your computer. To do this, you can go to the search window. In the search window, you can type Outlook. You will see the best match for the Outlook. So you will have to identify your new Outlook app. You can do a right click and then click on app settings. Under app settings, you will have to scroll down and then look for reset. Click on repair. Once the repair is complete, then you can go to reset and then click on reset again. Once the repair and reset is complete, you may close this window and then try to open Outlook and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and reinstall your new Outlook via Microsoft Store. So if deleting the cache and repairing do not clear the 0xc0000409 error, reinstalling the application would definitely fix the problem. To do this, you can go to the search window and in the search window, you may locate for or you can type Outlook. You can do a right click and then click on uninstall. Once the uninstallation is complete, you can open Microsoft Store. Once you see the best match for the Microsoft Store, you should have your Microsoft Store open. Now, once you have launched the Microsoft Store, in the search tab, you can look for Outlook. Once you locate for Outlook, you may go ahead and click on get. That should go ahead and download and install Outlook on your computer through Microsoft Store. Once the installation is successful, you should be able to open Outlook without any problem. So all these steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.